I can tell you why the sky is blue. I can tell you why the sun sets in the west. No, I can't explain the morning dew, why the tide dances.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of Oman trip.
We're gonna be taking you guys to island snorkeling tour, so stay tuned.
We have 4 hours trip and we will take a 2-hour trip. Go to the island and come back. Okay. 1 hour need to travel to the island, 1 hour come back. And 2 hour we will park the boat in the beach, so we can step on the beach, can relax there. Nice. And we can do snorkeling also, 2 sports.
Touring and snorkeling the Dimania Islands are one of the most surprising and must-do parts of a trip to Oman. The best and easiest way to get to the islands is to book a boat trip through a tour company.
So we from Paris on one knee, with a letter and a ring, got married in this ring. In the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt.
The Al Dimania Island is a protected area in Oman. The nature reserve has a rich natural heritage and is replete with several kinds of coral reefs, including some examples that are quite rare. The island is a home to a large number of sea turtles that lay their eggs and nest there, as well as a magnet for migratory and indigenous birds.
I'll never fully know how deep your heart can go, or the beauty of your soul. Oh, you, where were you all along? Every other one was wrong, and I found where I belong. Oh, the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our
Island with the flag, it's called Police Island. And there is another one, 3 Sisters, Black.
Snorkeling time!
Banana. You want a fresh water shower? Okay. This is good price.
So we just finished snorkeling at one of the islands. There are 9 islands here.
Yeah, I think these 3 are called the sister islands, because the 3 islands are connected. Do you see any sea turtles?
I didn't see any.
Oh, sucks for you, man.
You saw one?
Yeah, I saw a turtle down there.
Second round of snorkeling.
There we go again.
So we just arrived at a different spot. Look at the water color here, so clear. Gonna jump?
Voila. Everybody be comfortable.
So are we going back now or? Yes. Okay.
Need Coke, 7-Up, something? No, just water.
Maybe a Coke, please. Thank you.
Been too long, leaves are gone, heading for the coastline. Light is it when I'm there, soaking in the sunshine. We walk for miles covered.
Hey guys, we just finished the boat ride. It was from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Yeah, we basically snorkeled for 2 hours, and the trip around takes it another 2 hours. The price is 28 reals per person, includes snacks and drinks,
Water,
unlimited.
no alcohol though.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, boss.
Very good day.
It was fun, man.
Bye. Yeah, we had so much fun. I think it's totally worth it.
Yeah.
They provide snorkeling equipment too.
Yeah, and the view and the nature is definitely worth it too. Do you have a smaller one? Smaller hamor? That's the smallest? Yeah, okay.
Hey guys, so we just back from napping.
Yeah, the snorkeling trip was really fun, but it was really exhausting as well though. We were basically dead when we got back to the hotel and everybody took a nap. But now we are here at at a local Turkish restaurant.
Because we have tried Omani food, Indian food. Now we want to try something different.
Yeah, so we are here to try some Turkish cuisine today. So basically when you walk in, there's a bunch of seafood for selection. You just pick your fish or lobster, whatever you want to eat, and then you tell them how you want it to be cooked, either grilled or fried. Can we get 2 seafood soup?
2 seafood soup.
And then 1 lentil soup to
One
start
lentil.
with.
Lentil
And
soup.
then for the lamb chops, how many lamb chops come in one order?
Order 500. 5 pieces.
5 pieces. Can we get 1 order?
1 lamb chops.
Yeah.
1
Kebab with the
kebab
cheese.
cheese.
Yeah. Baklava with the ice cream.
This is my seafood soup. Do you like it? It's like a clam chowder, I feel
exactly.
like.
That's what I was gonna say. It tastes like clam chowder as well. Here we have fresh grilled hamor fish. So hamor is one of the most loved fish by the locals here in the Middle East, especially UAE, Oman, and Turkey. It's very, very tender compared to other fishes. It's not dried at all. Let's dig in. Here is our third main dish of the day, kebab with cheese right out of the oven.
I wanted to order this dish because I'm a cheese lover.
this is baklava with ice cream. Baklava is one of the, well, actually I can say the most traditional Turkish dessert. So we ordered it with ice cream, which it goes really well with the baklava. On top is pistachio. It's nice, crispy and sweet.
Too sweet.
Yeah, that's why they usually serve complimentary chai or coffee. Which one was your favorite dessert out of all the ones that we have
有一天
recommended
那
to
个
you?
什么 Grand Peru 那家跟这个是一样的，
Grand Beirut Kunafa 也是土耳其的。
那个还不错。
Still affected by the COVID, even though now that the borders have been opened between Oman and UAE, but still a majority of tourists from China are still locked.
Are you getting customers back?
الحين كمان اخر الشهر كمان بصير الشغل ضعيف سمعت الراتب بس ياخذوا الراتب بصير زحمه.
So we just asked the workers here. They were telling us that the business is still very much affected by COVID. As we came in, and there was only like a couple tables that were full. Most of the tables are still empty. They're also saying that it's the end of the year, the last month, so that it's not as busy as the previous month. Well, hopefully by next year the tourists will start to come back, and hope the business in this area will come back and bloom again.
Alright, that wraps up our Oman trip. Hope you guys enjoy our 5 days trip. So we basically stayed in the same hotel and then just took day trips to different places.
Yeah, if you guys are coming to Oman to visit, definitely bring your car or rent a car here because the country is really big, and it's not as you thought. Because before we coming here, we thought it's just like another Middle East country, just like deserts and that's it. Well, no, actually, Oman is very much different comparing to the rest of the Arab countries. They have a lot of natures, like wadis, a bunch of them. They have like water, like Salalah, where there's like a waterfall. Yeah, the country is huge, and definitely you need a car to visit all those beautiful places. And in the end, I hope you guys enjoyed our videos, and don't forget there will be more videos coming up. And as always, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.
Bye
See you guys.
guys.